Hello friends. Today we will talk in detail about YouTube Analytics. So please, first of all, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into your channel and video performance. Here's a detailed overview. YouTube Analytics helps creators understand their audience, engagement, and earnings. It offers a comprehensive dashboard to track key metrics, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Key metrics: 1. Views, total views, unique viewers, and average watch time. 2. Engagement, likes, dislikes, comments, shares, and average engagement. 3. Earnings, estimated earnings, ad revenue, and merchandise sales. 8. Audience, demographics, interests, and geographic location. 8. Traffic sources, where viewers come from, YouTube search, external websites, social media. 6. Devices and playback locations, device types, operating systems, and playback locations. Reports. 1. Overview report, summary of channel performance. 2. Views report, detailed view metrics. 3. Engagement report, detailed engagement metrics. 4. Earnings report, detailed earnings metrics. Audience report, detailed audience insights. 6. Traffic sources report, detailed traffic sources. 7. Devices and playback locations report, detailed device and playback metrics. Features. 1. Real-time analytics, view live data for views, engagement, and earnings. Customization, create custom reports and dashboards. Filtering and sorting, filter and sort data by date, device, location, and more. Comparison, compare metrics across different time periods. 5. Geographic analysis, analyze audience and engagement by geographic location. 6. Device analysis, analyze audience and engagement by device type. 7. Playback location analysis, analyze audience and engagement by playback location. Tips for using YouTube. Analytics. 1. Regularly check analytics, monitor performance and adjust strategies. 2. Set goals and track progress. Use analytics to measure success. 3. Experiment and test. Use analytics to inform experimentation. 4. Compare to benchmarks. Compare performance to industry benchmarks. 4. Use real-time analytics. Monitor live data for timely insights. By leveraging YouTube Analytics, creators can gain a deeper understanding of their audience, optimize their content and marketing strategies, and ultimately grow their channel and revenue. Thanks for watching our videos.